How to fix if you're unable to load conversation of Chatgpt. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open New tab in Chrome and click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you're in Settings, on the left side, click on Privacy and Security. After you click on Privacy and Security, scroll down and click on Site Settings. After you click on Site Settings in here, scroll down and click on Third-Party Cookies. After you click on Third-Party Cookies, scroll down and click on See All Site Data. Here you'll find Chatgpt. Click on the trash bin icon beside Chatgpt, which will delete site data. Then press on Delete. After you have done this, on the left side, scroll down and you'll find Extensions at the bottom left corner of your screen. Simply click on Extensions and then turn off all the extensions. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to fix if you're unable to load conversation on Chatgpt. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.